Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and I have a kokanee fishing machine here. It's the 1906 Sport Spectrum. It's got a brand new center console, brand new windshield, completely redone on the interior, all the carpets, all of the vinyl. The hull is aluminum hull with 29-inch sides with a brand new paint job. It does have a live well. We actually have three motors that come with this. The first one is the 3.0 Inboard Mer cruiser with an Alpha One Outdrive. The next is your trolling motor. It's a 4 horsepower Tohatsu. And then you have the 12-volt MINNKOTA electric trolling motor up front. All the seats are in perfect condition. This boat here at Indian Creek Sports, we're selling it for $9,999. Come in, take a look at it, and make us an offer on this boat that we can't refuse. Thanks again. Come see us at Indian Creek Sports.